kudune damkar iki. Lah iki kudune damkar nek ora damkar ya ora iso no.
Few moments later.
Back when we were still changing for the better. One thing was enough. For me it was enough. To live for
Just a feeling that I want you behind because it's something that is on. You're from my mind, I guess it goes that.
Assalamualaikum. Ayo Tojo. Lo Caca lo ke
Sis, introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Eva Busna. You can call me Eva.
Hello, my name is Saida Puspita Balda. You can call me Alda.
Halo, my name is Safira Tazara. You can call me Azra.
Hello, my name is Fitri Zahman Nadia. You can call me Zahwa.
I got so much.
Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you.
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh!
Fucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new guap, wear that thing. Bitches on my line, and you know.
Seorang mahasiswi dari sebuah perguruan tinggi di kota Semarang ditemukan tewas di lantai dasar sebuah tempat perbelanjaan. Pengunjung sempat berteriak melihat korban terjatuh. Polisi masih menyelidiki penyebab korban tewas.
Pengunjung Mall Paragon di Jalan Pemuda Kota Semarang tersentak dengan tewasnya seorang perempuan muda Selasa sore. Korban ditemukan di lantai dasar mall. Polisi yang tiba di lokasi langsung memasang garis polisi dan melakukan olah tempat kejadian perkara.
Seorang mahasiswi di Semarang, Jawa Tengah ditemukan meninggal di kamar kosannya. Dan olah TKP ditemukan sepucuk surat yang ditulis oleh korban.
Warga Semarang, Jawa Tengah digegerkan dengan temuan jenazah seorang perempuan di kamar indekos. Korban merupakan mahasiswi salah satu universitas swasta di kota Semarang.
Hello, good morning. How are you today?
Hello, thanks good. How are you?
Thanks good. It's fine too.
A few moments later.
Hey, have you seen for your back TikTok?
Why FYP TikTok?
How come this for your back TikTok makes me so sad? There is news of student suicide.
Are you serious? Where?
Yeah, seriously. Look at this. There is news that a student commit suicide at Paragon Mall, Semarang.
Oh, I see. The junior student, right? I also saw the news yesterday.
That's right. Lately, have seen a lot of news about suicide.
That's right. After that incident, I also read the news that there was a UDNU student who committed suicide too.
But why are most of the students doing it? What do you think is the cause?
From the news correctly, it is suspected that it is due to depression and has something to do with student mental health.
What is mental health?
Mental health is a health condition related to a person's psychology and emotions.
It's true. Survey results in Indonesia state that no mental disorders often occur in the 18 to 25 years age group. In other words, this incident is closely related to students.
What causes mental health problem among students?
Mental health disorders in students often arise because of the determined
to start living independently and be able to manage everything themselves.
Students' mental health is not only triggered by the demand to live independently. Usually, romantic problems during college can also be the cause of this problem.
Why is that?
Although tutoring can provide happiness and social support, unhealthy relationships can also have a negative impact on mental health.
That's right, because students often experience academic pressure and instability in their relationship can add a greater emotional burden, especially when a relationship ends. Emotional turmoil and anxiety can increase.
And do you think mental health problems are serious problems?
This mental health problem is serious problem that must be of common concern because the mental health of teenagers, especially students, is very important for our country in the future.
Yes, I really agree with your opinion because mental healthy students tend to be more productive, creative, and able to overcome academic and daily life challenges better, which in turn can have a positive impact on the country's progress.
Then what are the factors that impact student mental health?
Mental health in students can be influenced by several factors, including genetic, family, friendship, lifestyle, social factors, and various other factors. Usually, these factors can impact students positively or negatively. However, there are still many students who are not aware of the positive and negative effects of their factors, so they forget about their mental health.
It's true, they usually forget about mental health because they only focus on tests, organizations, procedures, and the demands they receive from the people around them.
What is the important role of mental health for students like us?
Mental health has a very important role for the student. A strong mentality will ensure a safe life and away from bad things such as stress, depression, and so on, which affect mental health.
Mental health has a very important role for the students to adapt to their new study environment. Of course, life on campus and school is much different.
Apart from that, new students will find a very diverse range of social interactions and will find different learning methods compared to school. So, healthy mental conditions make students focus on studying so that their academic performance tend to be good. Concentration and productivity increase during activities on campus and outside campus.
Then are the tips from students to maintain mental health on campus?
Of course, there are tips for maintaining student mental health, such as learning manage time, effectively maintaining physical health, socializing, and building relationships, and doing counseling if needed.
What are the impacts if student mental health is disturbed?
If mental health is disturbed, mental disorder or mental illness arise. Mental disorder can change the way a person interacts with other people.
Apart from that, it can also trigger a desire to hurt themselves and even worse, even commit suicide as in recent years.
Of course, this is very dangerous for students if this problem is left alone.
So true. Hopefully, we will be keep away from this problem and keep away from terrible acts such as suicide. Maybe if any of you feel lonely and feel that life as a student is very difficult, you can just tell a friend. Don't hesitate to tell friends to avoid mental health problems. That's right. Keeping your problems to yourself without telling friends or people you trust is not good for your mental health, especially for students like us.
We all students ought to receive education with calm sense for the sake of a better future.
That's right. Then I will go home first. Okay? See you.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
24 hours later.
Hello guys, I have hot news about suicide.
What other news?
Have you seen the for your pet circulating?
What, Eva?
Today I found another suicide case, but this case is more terrible.
Are you serious?
Where is?
Look at this. After the suicide cases of Udinus and UNES students, now there is a new case of a Blitar vocational high school, one student committing suicide.
That's right. This student was reckless enough to cross on the edge of the train tracks.
Wow, this is scary. How could you like that?
What class is he in?
The student at one of vocational school.
Why did he dare to press himself on the train tracks?
From people's stories, she is thought to be depressed and feels that his life is meaningless.
Oh, that means it still has something to do with adolescent mental health.
That's right, because before he priced himself on the train track, he had ridden a wheel in the back he was wearing and left it on his motorbike.
So this case is almost similar to the case of Udinus and UNES students who left a will for their family.
That's right. Try reading this wheel.
This is so terrible.
But are you aware? Because of yesterday UNES student suicide, yes, many teenagers commit suicide.
That's right. It seems like suicide has become a trend for teenagers.
This is very dangerous, and if we think about it, even though all problems, there is always a solution. That's right. We should immediately make the decision to end our life because something around us, there are many people who can care and love us.
Yeah, that's right. Helpful, we will always be kept away from such disgraceful acts. Assalamualaikum. Belajar.
Semoga saja aku sempat berkenan denganmu dari hatiku. Lalu bicara cinta berdua.
Tidak ada salah kata atau perbuatan.
Ingin ku mengejar
Aku yang sakit bangun.
Berpanjang
Sekian video dari kelompok kami. Bila ada salah kata, kami mohon maaf sebesar-besarnya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.